Hi, I'm Amaryllis from Boho Déco. Today I will show you how you can turn a simple round mirror into a nice decorative piece using just brown paper. As you can see, it's a very easy craft and I hope you will enjoy making it with me. To make the Boho Mirror, you will need brown paper, a round mirror, cardboard, some wooden beads, a glue stick, a craft dowel, scissors, and a glue gun. Take the brown paper and cut a square of 8 by 8 inches. Fold the paper in the diagonal and cut following the line to have 2 triangles. Take a craft dowel and use it to roll the paper on itself. You roll the paper and you add some glue on the triangle tip. Keep rolling to glue the paper together. And slide the dowel out. And then you have a first paper stick. You will need to do a few more, as you will need 8 small paper sticks to make the Boho Mirror. You just repeat the previous steps and you make a total of 8 small paper sticks. So you take the brown paper again and you cut a square of 13 by 13 inches. You fold the paper square in the diagonal and you cut 2 triangles following the fold mark. It's the same process as you did previously. Now you just have to make it with larger triangles. Again, you take your small dowel and you roll the paper around it. Add some glue and keep rolling the paper on itself. Slide the dowel out and you just finished the first longer paper stick and you will need to do 7 more. You need a total of 8 long paper stick to make the mirror.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time.
So now you have 8 small paper sticks and you have 8 long paper sticks. You take a cardboard piece, you place the round mirror on it and you cut out the mirror shape on the cardboard. The cardboard circle will be the back of the mirror. To help you place the flower petals evenly around the circle, I suggest you trace a line on the cardboard circle. You just have to divide the cardboard circle in 8 parts, like a pie. Now you will take a small paper stick and a glass and you will have to bend the paper stick using the glass as a shape. You trim the paper ends. You place the paper arch on the cardboard. You add some glue and you try to follow the lines you made previously. So all the petals will fit nicely around the cardboard circle. Time to add a second arch to make the petals. You will have to use a larger container to bend the long paper stick. I use a paint tin, but it will work with anything you have on hand. Once the long paper stick is bent, you just glue it next to the first part of the petal. As you can see, the petals are glued inside the lines I drew on the circle. Okay, now you just have to repeat the previous step to make more petals and complete the flower. Almost done, looking nice so far. This step is optional, but I wanted the back of the mirror to look nice, so I cut a piece of brown paper and glue it on the back of the mirror. Turn the mirror right side up and glue the mirror on the cardboard. To finish nicely, I will add some wooden beads around the mirror. I will use a wooden bead necklace that I don't wear anymore, but you can just use wooden beads that you can find online. There is plenty of places where you can buy some. Yeah, and I just use the glue gun again to attach the beads around the mirror. The last step is to glue a piece of ribbon or twine on the back of the mirror to hang it on the wall. You can also use common stripe if you like to. And that's it. The Boho Mirror is done, and the only thing you have to do now is hang it on the wall.